Welcome to Consumer Flix, your ultimate source for the latest drone news and reviews. Helicopter today, we're unveiling the DJI Avata 3 covering its release date, specs, price and all the exciting new features. If you're an FPV enthusiast, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's break it all down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest drone leaks and reviews. Flight performance and maneuverability. DJI Avata 3. The Avata 3 boasts more powerful motors and an upgraded propulsion system, delivering enhanced stability, speed, and control. Its higher top speed and improved responsiveness make it even more agile than the Avata 2, making it an ideal choice for freestyle flying. With an extended flight time of up to 22 minutes, pilots can enjoy longer, uninterrupted flights with fewer battery swaps. Design and durability. The DJI Avata 3 maintains the compact, sinuhoop-inspired design of its predecessor while incorporating upgraded materials for improved durability and reduced weight. Its more aerodynamic frame enhances agility in flight, while reinforced guards offer superior crash protection. These refinements make the Avata 3 sturdier and better suited for both indoor and outdoor flying compared to the Avata 2. Camera and video quality. The Avata 3 features an upgraded 1-inch sensor, capable of capturing 5.2K video at 60 frames per second for sharper details and richer colors. This marks a significant improvement over the smaller sensor of the Avata 2, enhancing low-light performance and delivering more cinematic footage. With improved dynamic range, it excels at capturing stunning visuals even in challenging lighting conditions. Immersive FPV experience. The Avata 3 integrates seamlessly with DJI's latest FPV goggles, delivering higher resolution and an expanded field of view compared to its predecessor. With low-latency video transmission and enhanced head tracking, pilots enjoy a more immersive and responsive flying experience. These upgrades elevate the thrill of FPV flying, providing a deeper connection between the user and the drone. Safety and obstacle avoidance. The Avata 3 features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, enhancing flight safety in tight spaces and complex environments. This is a significant upgrade from the Avata 2's limited sensor coverage, making it more accessible for beginners while giving experienced pilots greater confidence during challenging maneuvers. Value for enthusiasts and professionals. With significant upgrades in camera quality, flight performance, and safety features, the Avata 3 is a clear advancement over the Avata 2. While the Avata 2 remains a solid, budget-friendly choice, the Avata 3 justifies its higher price by delivering a premium experience for both FPV enthusiasts and professional content creators. It strikes the perfect balance between performance, portability, and ease of use, making it a top contender in the FPV drone market. Audio and communication features. The Avata 3 features onboard microphones for enhanced audio capture, adding an extra layer of immersion for video content creators. This new addition, absent in the Avata 2, enriches storytelling by capturing ambient sounds, making footage more dynamic and engaging. Environmental and sustainability focus. The Avata 3 embraces sustainability with eco-friendly packaging and more energy-efficient components, reflecting DJI's commitment to reducing its environmental impact. These improvements make it a compelling choice for eco-conscious users without compromising on performance or innovation. Advanced customization and control. The Avata 3 enhances pilot control with expanded customization options, allowing for a more tailored flying experience. With improved responsiveness, adjustable flight modes, and personalized settings, it offers greater flexibility for both casual flyers and professionals looking to push their creative limits. Enhanced software and flight modes. The Avata 3 debuts upgraded flight modes, including precision waypoint navigation and an enhanced return-to-home function. With smoother automated flight patterns, it offers greater flexibility for both cinematic and recreational flying, surpassing the capabilities of the Avata 2. Enhanced battery efficiency and charging. The Avata 3 boasts improved battery efficiency, delivering longer flight times than its predecessor. Faster charging capabilities further minimize downtime, allowing pilots to get back in the air quickly and maximize their flight sessions. Advanced editing and post-processing capabilities. The DJI Avata 3 enhances video production with advanced features like DC-like color profiles, providing greater flexibility for post-processing. This upgrade makes it an invaluable tool for content creators seeking professional quality footage, surpassing the Avata 2's more limited editing options. Enhanced accessibility and usability. The Avata 3 features a refined user interface and enhanced flight controls, making it more beginner-friendly while offering advanced customization for experienced pilots. Improved pre-flight tutorials and a more intuitive app streamline the learning curve, providing a smoother and more accessible flying experience compared to the Avata 2. Eco-friendly innovations. The Avata 3 incorporates sustainable materials and energy-efficient components, minimizing its environmental impact. This eco-conscious design reflects modern sustainability standards, making it a more forward-thinking choice compared to the Avata 2. Advanced editing and post-production support. The Avata 3 enhances post-production capabilities with in-app video editing and seamless integration with DJI's editing software. These features allow users to fine-tune footage, apply filters, and create polished content directly from the drone, streamlining the workflow compared to its predecessor. Conclusion. The DJI Avata 3 builds on the strengths of its predecessor with major upgrades in camera quality, flight performance, and safety. Its enhanced 1-inch sensor, extended flight time, and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance make it a more capable and versatile choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. With an improved FPV experience, greater customization options, and advanced post-production support, the Avata 3 stands out as a top-tier FPV drone. While the Avata 2 remains a solid budget-friendly option, the Avata 3 raises the bar for immersive, high-performance flying. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, are you excited about the DJI Avata 3? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more leaks, reviews, and drone insights. See you in the next video.